Hey y'all, welcome back to Good Eats with Tip. So we decided to visit Southern Fusion today. Please excuse my dirty windows. We found this place on Google. It had some great reviews. Even the bad reviews said the food was great, so we decided to give it a try today. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So here's the menu. I tried to get the full menu for you guys. They had a breakfast / brunch menu, and then they also had the lunch menu that they provided to us. So we kind of ordered off of both menus. We ordered the premium lemonade. It was so delicious. We enjoyed this so much. They made it fresh for us. Then we went in with the collard green egg rolls, and then they brought us out some fried peach biscuits with some good old honey butter. Now we're going in for the taste test.
That's good. I'm gonna try these. That's good. Like a dessert. Tastes like a dessert.
Y'all, that was so good. And before we could even finish, they brought out our main entrees. As you can see, it looks so good and it tastes exactly how it looks. Everything was so hot. Everything was so good. We're gonna go in for the taste test here. Jeremiah and I love macaroni cheese, so we're always testing them out every time we go somewhere and do our own little review on the macaroni cheese. So must try. The macaroni cheese was so good. It was cheesy, but it was not too cheesy. Sometimes, you know, macaroni and cheese can be so cheesy that you choke on the cheese and it's just too much cheese, but it was like the perfect amount of cheese.
The bacon, they said it got good bacon. Like applewood or something.
Okay, guys, so the bacon was so good. It had a very good taste to it. Then we had I think they were the fried potatoes. They were amazing. They didn't need any seasoning on them. And then I ordered blackened shrimp with pepper jack grits. They were so good. The grits were so creamy.
Grits are creamy.
Oh my God, it was so delicious. Jeremiah had the buffalo chicken Philly, and he said the chicken was so tender, nothing like he's had before. And guys, we decided to go ahead and get dessert when they told us they had a peach cobbler cinnamon roll. We had to go for it. Guys, make sure you check out this restaurant, Southern Fusion. It is in Locust Grove, Georgia. I'll put all the details in the description. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end. If you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. And if you are returning, thank you so much for returning. Make sure you go ahead and click that like button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.